Yeah. Hi.
Yes. I don't that high from you. I don't. Hey, listen. Hey, nebele hi. I don't want that high from you. You know, Ibranga begram high. When you don't give a high, yadike wo you honyibo. Ibranga bege high. You honyibo ke we Ibranga bege high. Ka wo forming ka gede.
Bishop Biara o.
Kwaba mi shi bisi biange tirim high. Remove that in it, Munishi. Ibrahim here for interview. Therefore,
I did 32.
I did 32. You get make Igbo bag in me, camera master soon bang or got some man on the mentor. Give with Eddie. Give and get mega high. Mega high. You can't farm here. Damn you, Ibrahim Bia mega high. Put glass and hibunaya. Remove that glass hibunaya.
Yeah, and the Jahozo Bishop.
Remove it, come hold your real face.
We're Pupani and Mahopanozo Bishop, and Media Hozo.
You want a catratanya?
I went catrat, Nahaji.
Then you, them your catratanya, he went. Who I also gave you and get to a day now. When you get your cigarette, Jitregi, which I'm about Jitrego Shaka. If you catratanya, Aragabianga Biagam say, who I'm not. Then the Gabianga Biagam say, and who I also. I had to wait for Nana like a billion to get lasso.
I make it, Buria.
Remove that thing, come home off, man.
Hell, Bishop. Come the way and I quit or anger.
Esh, me get what I can up again, I may put to here. You can't have one come more to one. What I can up again, dear Chileka.
Bishop, sorry.
Okuga on no tunga to Okuga straight. You think I'm playing here, I will bring you down here if you take I'm joking here. No talk and knock, I come more to Bianga Bia till well.
Bishop Biara.
I think you keep that your leg is straight to Bia keep Obia Hakarabina, the Okuga straight. Their front. Akagona no tunga. And we years of Bodaya. Take para house of Bodaya 1 year. Give young game, a man tobre. Tono. Akagam Laya, bigger wapakana paga, Chineka bagoko here. And yet the waka get straight. Enya, kega kwanga bro lab so Sabinu se mola mwa.
I'm down so.
Asking a pro that place. If you are not ready, I will bring you down. I will bring you down now. Ka hogini negra gabra ho sabi. E mola mwa.
Mola momo.
Mola
momo. Echi momo.
Umole.
Echi 6.
Otele Rozani pa almost 6 to ekwe di nalo. Madam, don't laugh here.
Oh, my sister, Chigochi.
Age almost 6. Get the nini masichakran manana manuku. Ele hije mwega get everywhere.
Bishop, I'm flat top. Him gido.
Tonazo, you want with flat top. He draka trapai na hoge wo flat top. Tonazo party go jeru chagana for. Pregwam simone. Jesus Christ. Yeah, get on yellow there about top 3 here.
Oh, my sister also be laid a bed, don't worry.
What a reverse, Bia. Well, in my hair, what a reverse, dwarf. My hair, what a reverse.
Okay.
Le wine is. In my hair, what a reverse, this girl. See, you almost 6.
Hey, that's your almost 6.
Hey, I will have to cook a hassle, watch it to cook a hassle. Watch to cook a hassle. Look at Ganine Sabi. That would have fun, okay?
Me keep eyeglass him.
Now lie you, not like that, me make interview.
Okay.
Oro ta meme ge ntavi Chineke agbaghị ọkụ nwa bingo. Buru which eyeglass iji ụmụ sis. Ndị mụrụ nwa ọ different men ka mụrụ nwa ka otu onye ọya.
Ihe m na-eme wee ịmụ ụmụ. Ihe m na-eme.
Don't joke with me. I'm not playing here. See, if you joke with me, I'll bring you down. I'm not joking here. Can you hear that's a
Ihe m na-eme mmụcha mee ka ya onye nwe nwa. Jido mere. Enweghị n'ọrụ nọ na Nigeria.
Elebishna no rai.
Anọ m Aba, Ngwa Road.
Gịnị ka ịrụ a?
Bishop, enweghị m rụga. Ihe m na-arụ wee mụ nwa.
Mahụ aka gị aka nri. Ele bleach ndị ite gbaga gị ihu ọkụ design gị like this. Ele bleach ndị ihe.
Ọwa ọkụ ahụhụ akwaka.
Bleach niile fakabatara dị listen. Lanya oti yiri kọrị. Oti were like kọrị different kọrị meche onwe gị n'ahụ. Oti iji ọsụ nọ were onwe gị medo sacha onwe gị apata okwu gị ihe nnọọ abụba. Ibra nga bịa emege lanya if you are ready now for interview make interview.
I'm serious now. I'm serious.
Don't come here bịa yes m jụrụ gị lọ mmanụ ndị gbara gị ọkụ.
Ọ bụ karoton. Ọ ebe ego m ruru karoton. M na-azụ karoton.
Weta ka dị shit ka m jụkị hịa.
Gbaghara.
Onye organic. Bara nga faja m ihu faja m ọnụ lekwe nga niile oke ọnụ agha gị dị ụtọ oke mmanụ. Ọka agbaghị ma n'ihu ma n'aka. Ọhịa iji nwee cataract anya. Lekwe otu apata ụkwụ gị na ahụ gị ji ọsụ nọ yicha fish pond ga na-agụ azụ.
Bishop, ọ bụ agụrụ. Lenu fagel yote kparịga. Ọ bụ agụrụ.
If you are not ready, I'll bring you down. If you are not ready for this interview, I'll bring you down.
Bishop, gbaghara. Adị m ready.
Okay, man, ihe ọbụla emere ebe a ga-aba n'ihu akwụkwọ social media niile m ga-adịru m enweghị interview.
Gaa n'iru Bishop, gaa n'iru.
Aha gị?
Aha m Chizoba.
Chizoba onye?
Okeke.
Chizoba Okeke onye organic cream. Ahịa niile sabi. Bracket nwa agbọghọ bịa cataract anya chọrọ ekpuchi anya. You must say John wine. On the most serious one, you know you must say John Ekparan John Aka. Kwema. Listen, if you're not ready, maybe to be here.
Well, sorry.
Yeah, you take no konye nevu prostrate be okay. Make a respect you again, just respect, just behave yourself here.
Biara.
I'm almost see again, why you don't want to go here.
What's your Biara?
It's a brain boss who tipa vuaja.
Biara Mbiko. I better meet you. I told me mom 12. 1 dozen.
I got Omunda Hemor, a different man. Kebe no amoya.
I know no Pama Moga.
Mpagana Magadendo. Okay, connect here one of them on phone. Come confirm you make Bia. You just not to have fun with me. Connect here one of your parents na phone you allow. So Otaka Magish Morgan with Mpage and I'm Momo. So get one now, I'll time on again now. Money Mokuraga like that Mumu key and doesn't then win them one.
Okay. I want to okay, ka mam more nwa. Mpam nka na alọ mam.
Otu nwoke ka mpage mụrụ nwa. Ise otu nwoke ka mpage mụrụ nwa.
Mụ adara na amụrụ ụmụ nwoke. Yes, na mpam lụrụ mama alụ. Mpam lụrụ mama alụ.
So ele ihe kpatara gị nwa ji mụrụ ụmụ different men nwa.
Ọ dụtụ ụmụ nwoke ndị ahụ ha bịa ha aghọ ma ahụ gbalaga.
Ha aghọghị aghọ ha.
ha bịa ha sị gị ha ama alụ gị ha bịa tụwa m ime gbalaga ma mmụọ ya ị chọrọ ka m wepụ dị nwa
ịdị ime na
Dusha adịkwa n'ime adịkwa m ime
ọwụta otu ka amụshi emeghe
Bishop, good afternoon. How are you doing?
Listen. I don't want that laugh from you. I don't want it. I don't want that laugh from you. Listen to me. I'm not joking here. If you are not serious for the interview, please go out from here.
I'm serious. I'm serious.
Remove that any punishi. Okay, but for interview. Okay, man, here all I'm going to social media and then get the room interview.
Never me interview.
The way phone now, like
Wait.
Mama, your daddy not but the woman.
Tornazo.
Now, only obona no na bu side you if I need you be dead. So do you for the person in all of my face?
Yeah, when one can wear boss see.
Oh, Nika, yeah.
I'm Musunga, I'm trying my meter of them. Okay, for one.
Osilo race me to money and maybe travel. Do be a Adeliana.
Hello, Bishop. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Hey, chop that touch. The back of the sugar. You want to get
Yes, sir.
the money how let me back up and how social media didn't get it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, put that in it, put on. Put that in it, put on.
Nothing. There's nothing in my mouth.
And when you put on, I'm going to marry.
Nothing.
The phone I can't be able to get last. Lazo. Get the key here. Yeah, shot. Tornazo.
Dibia na aluya na bunyo wa diaki aluya bataliana kia.
Hello, do you like Otele?
I don't know how to speak Igbo.
Huh?
I grew up in Benue State. I don't know how to speak Igbo very well.
Adi Iwonyi Igbo.
Yes.
Iwonyi Igbo.
Yes, Bishop.
And you are telling me you don't know. Listen, I'm not joking here with you.
Yes,
You don't know how to speak Igbo. You grow up in Benue State. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
I'm ashamed of myself.
Then you have mouth to open mouth widely to say it without learning Igbo. You came here for me to do you meleg interview. Owaraya bage.
Mba.
Owaraya bage. Magana pago dendo. Therefore,
26.
yeah, call your mother. Call your mother now. When they phone, also come Magana Mompagana. Call them on phone.
It's only one phone I have, just this phone.
Okay. Listen. I got my meleg interview because you need to name Igbo.
Okay.
I
need the Mima Igbo.
Good. It will failure so far Igbo is concerned. Magibaso. You may be she. Nyali Igbo. Emo bodogi na Igbo.
Mbise.
Iwonye ebe.
Mbise.
Ebe na mbise.
Ezinite mbise.
Ebe na ezinite.
Owutu. Ife no wutu. Ife no wutu.
Ebe ni ife no wutu.
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't even know where you are born. You don't know how to speak your father's tongue. And you have mind to come here that I should do your interview. Let me tell you. Red flag is not only when you as a woman don't have good character. Red flag in relationship, in marriage, it determines also when you cannot even stand to speak or say where you come from as an adult, as a grown-up that is living with their parents. Education is not about 1+1. Are you hearing what I'm telling you now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Go back and tell your parents that they have failed.
Okay, sir.
Husband 001 said they failed.
They have failed.
Including you as an adult.
Okay.